My name is Julian. I worked with PolarSeal in Suffolk as the Interim Facilities Project Manager. Engaged with Russam deliberately because I consider them as a good choice given their heritage and presence in the marketplace. And they certainly have some history, and I'd never worked with Russam before. I generally use my own personal network. I felt the engagement with Russam was actually fast and functional initially, and certainly Jason's approach reflects his experience with being very deliberate and decisive, makes a decision, makes it happen, gets back to you, and positive feedback all the way. The company wasn't actually listed in the advert, but the task reflected everything I've done in my career. So I felt I was a good fit, and so I applied. Initially, there was actually a project plan in place with the client. So I spent the first week scrutinising the detail and understanding where the resources were and were not, and then engaged with the stakeholders and also down right to the shop floor. So I had full engagement with every layer within the business. My approach to interim is to be present. So I start on the first day before everybody else. I finish every day after everybody else. So I'm always there and become the voice of truth. I deliberately provoke answers from people and challenge the assumptions within the project plan, and then make my case in probably week 2, week 3 of the engagement. PolarSeal were no different from anybody else. They're very experienced and knowledgeable in what they do, but didn't really have the breadth of experience that I have in what they were trying to achieve. So they could have stumbled along, and I think the biggest thing I picked up with PolarSeal was actually senior engagement with owners of a business that have been doing what they're doing for 20 years and encouraging them to take a new path. The biggest challenge we were installing a clean room. The supplier of the clean room declared a week before delivery that they were going to be 4 weeks late. I drew on my experience and my previous interim assignments, spoke to a few of the people there, and managed to source the materials for another route and achieve the end date. So we were going to lose 4 weeks. We actually achieved the validation and the completion of the project on time.